rainy. This is what it looks like this morning. It's pretty gloomy. I'm making my way to the bathroom, and then we're probably gonna eat first while it's still like a little misty, and then pack up the tents and the bikes because they're still outside. It's definitely a lot quieter than it was when the days were sunny the previous 2 days. In the morning, maybe the little children are still asleep. This is the bathhouse we've been using. It's got showers on one side, toilets on the other. Oh, doggy's awake. Look at the mist. It's definitely really cloudy. I just splashed water on my face and forgot a towel, so I'm gonna walk back with a wet face. I did my hair and ready to conquer the day. We're taking apart the tent.
Pack this bottom full first. That would be spacious, right?
Yeah. We just took everything out of the car, laid it on a 9-foot by 9-foot tarp, and we're gonna put the bike spot in. It's now starting to pick up the rain, but we got everything in the back of the car, all nice and packed, and now we're gonna enjoy breakfast. We got some things to sort out though. Can you hear that? We literally just got in the car and it's downpouring. Alright, we're eating now. Look at the rain and the fog. We just got the hammock straps down, which is quite the experience because I lodged it like right in the crevice of the tree, and so it was super hard because the bark was also super sharp. But we managed to get it down. That was a 15-minute activity, but we're gonna now finish up breakfast. We went out there because there was like a little pause in the rain. We take the weather as we can. Oh, someone's leaving. RV's going home. Last part of breakfast is apple crisp we made last night. We got trash pile. Going to the bathhouse.
What is this? You're not buckled. It doesn't matter.
I'm not buckled. Oh, let me raise my foot. We're doing our dishes. She's even got a handkerchief on. Look at these little trailers.
The BA Services Inc. John, other John's.
Yeah.
Oh, hold on.
We just finished brushing our teeth, and we're gonna get in the car and off we go. Going to Providence first to charge her car, and then we'll make it all the way home. 56 minutes to the EV charging place. It's in Providence. Electrify America. We just got a picture by the camp sign and the main check-in place, and now we're leaving for good.
We're on the road, and one thing about Rhode Island is that their bridges are mostly blue on the bottom. They definitely look a lot better than the rundown bridges in Mass. That's pretty cool. We got 17 minutes to go to the charger. Another bridge. Another not New Hampshire, Rhode Island thing are the signs with double arrows. Instead of single arrows, they make sure you know that it's sharp or curvy. There's so many street signs. Good thing about Rhode Island is they're very clear about where you need to go. Unlike some of the streets in Boston where it's up to you to figure that out. Found the
chargers. There's 2 of them free. It's a rarity. She's gotta flip the car around because the charger's short. This is my first time doing electric charging. It'll be interesting. Learn something new every day. Let's rate Hannah's parking job. Oh. Oh boy. Coming in hot. Okay. Oh. That's pretty good. What do you know? We find ourselves in another Walmart while the EV is charging. We're just looking around. It'll be like 20 minutes. There's different charging speeds. There's Ultra and there's Hyper. I didn't realize that, but this one did its good job. It was like done in 24 minutes. Whoa, you can't see a thing. But shall we? Yeah. Stop the charging. And yes. 88%. Look at that.
Made it to the Massachusetts side, back where we belong. We're gonna take this all the way to Hannah's house. Oh, wait, this exits to Rhode Island. Backtrack.
We made it to Hannah's house, safe and sound, backing into the driveway. And that's the end of our Rhode Island trip. We're gonna go walk Heidi Girl. And then we'll unpack the car, which will be a feat. And yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Bye. Procrastinating taking everything out of the car when it's like 88 degrees and really humid outside. So on the floor we are. Took everything from the car out. It is the 30th in the afternoon now. I've unpacked everything and it was actually pretty easy to unpack. And I'm just gonna relax now and plan my next week. So I'll end this vlog here and I'll see you guys soon. I hope you guys enjoyed this little Rhode Island series and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!